Sam Sulek is a social media celebrity and fitness influencer from the United States. Sam has taken the platform by storm with his captivating content and impressive physique. With over 1 million followers on TikTok, he has become a household name in the fitness community. Get ready to be inspired and motivated by this friendly and creative influencer taking the world of social media by storm. Who is Sam Sulek? Sam Sulek is an American bodybuilder and social media personality born on February 7, 2002, in Ohio, USA. He is 22 years old as of February 2024. Sam Sulek is known for his fitness content, which he shares on his social media platforms, including TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. He has gained a significant following on these platforms, with over 2.4 million followers on TikTok, over 3 million subscribers on YouTube, and over 5 million followers on Instagram. Sam Sulek has been signed as an athlete for the bodybuilding brand Hostile. Career beginnings. He trained and competed with the Delaware aquatic racing team Stingrays, quickly taking to the pool like a fish to water. Sam's brother, Mark, is a college athlete at Whitworth University, and they both share a passion for diving. Sam continued to hone his diving abilities all through elementary and middle school, representing his school's team at various meets and championships. He became one of the most decorated male divers in school history, placing 4th in districts and states and setting a new record of 5:16.25 in 2020. Sam Sulek also ventured into gymnastics with Integrity Athletics, a premier athletics facility in Central Ohio. He joined a competition at the Blaine Wilson Sports Fest in 2018. Upon completing his high school education at Delaware Hayes High School, Sam ventured into higher education. Later, he went on to pursue a degree in mechanical engineering at Miami University in the charming town of Oxford, Ohio. Sam Sulek fitness career. Around his sophomore year of high school, at just 16 years old, Sam was introduced to the weight room by his friend Brandon. He instantly became hooked on lifting. Sam started training after school in his family's basement with a piece of minor equipment such as some dumbbells, a barbell, and a few weight plates. Sam's parents were sports-minded, but probably didn't foresee their teenage son's rapid physical transformation and newfound passion for pumping iron. Sam's father, Mark, even complained about the racket he made with the weights late into the night. As a high schooler, Sulek took his training and nutrition incredibly seriously. He began eating egg whites and sardines before bed. He educated himself by studying YouTube videos of professional builders like Callum Von Moger, who inspired him with their emotionally intense training approach. Breakthrough. Juggling both diving competitions and bodybuilding throughout high school, Sam ultimately chose to pursue his passion for gaining muscle over diving in college. He decided to leave competitive diving behind and focused on fully lifting. Sam began tracking his workouts, nutrition, and progress in spreadsheets, weighing himself daily and inputting his diet into MyFitnessPal religiously. Sulek set his sights on building the epitome of a classical, aesthetically pleasing, yet massively muscular physique. In his first 2 years of college, Sam had an impressive build. Despite friends' encouragement, he hesitated to post on social media. He waited until he was confidently lifting around 190 pounds before posting early workout clips on TikTok to establish fitness credibility. Sam Sulek's career, further successes. In 2021, Sam Sulek was ready to share his passion with the world, launching his TikTok account. He uploaded a few short workout videos, and his unique approach resonated. Rather than the over-the-top intensity and self-promotion of many fitness gurus, Sam kept things simple. He decided to expand his reach by creating a YouTube channel as well in 2022. He took subscribers behind the scenes, vlogging his straightforward workout routine and diet regime daily. His YouTube content remained true to his transparent approach. Sam's raw, unfiltered training vlogs allowed him to truly stand out from the pack. He carved out a unique niche that helped him earn over 2.9 million subscribers in record time. Sam's most popular video is him throwing a 315-pound barbell on the ground while failing his lift. Sulek's career began when he started posting content on TikTok, quickly gaining himself a strong following. He then expanded his content creation to YouTube and Instagram, where he shares various content, including fitness tips, workout routines, and diet advice. Sulek's training regimens focus on old-school heavy hitters such as Mike Menser, hitting each body part with the utmost intensity, but allowing adequate time for recovery between training sessions. He follows a strict diet and training routine to maintain his muscular physique, and he has been seen using a mix of compound and isolation movements throughout his workouts. Sam Sulek's net worth. Sam Sulek stands as a prominent figure in the fitness world. His journey from a dedicated bodybuilder to a renowned social media influencer, marking a testament to the potential profitability of merging passion with digital platforms. As of 2024, his net worth is estimated to be around $4 million, reflecting not only his financial success, but also his substantial impact on millions of followers across various social media platforms. At the core of Sam's success lies his multifaceted income streams, which stem from his diverse presence on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Through these channels, he has cultivated a massive following, drawing in millions of viewers eager to engage with his content, whether it's sharing workout routines, offering nutritional advice, or documenting his own fitness journey. Sam has effectively leveraged social media to establish himself as a trusted authority in the realm of health and fitness. Moreover, Sam's influence extends beyond his digital presence. As a signed athlete with Hostile, he enjoys additional revenue streams from sponsorships, brand endorsements, and personal training services. His affiliation with reputable brands not only bolsters his financial standing, but also enhances his credibility within the fitness community. While the financial aspect of Sam's success is undoubtedly impressive, it's essential to recognize that his true wealth transcends past just monetary figures. His impact on individuals worldwide, inspiring them to pursue healthier lifestyles and strive for their fitness goals, constitutes the cornerstone of his legacy. Through his dedication, authenticity, and unwavering commitment to his craft, Sam has fostered a community built on mutual support and empowerment. It's worth noting that behind the glitz and glamour of social media lies a journey marked by hard work, perseverance, and resilience. His story resonates with aspiring athletes and content creators alike, illustrating the transformative power of passion and persistence. That's all from this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.